How to change Call of Duty Mobile region. This tutorial will guide you through the process of changing your region in Call of Duty Mobile. Whether you want to switch to a server in Asia, Europe, North America, or South America, this step-by-step guide will help you modify your region effectively. Changing your region can improve your gaming experience by connecting you to different players and servers. So let's get started. So first, open the Call of Duty mobile app. After you open the Call of Duty mobile app, make sure that your account is logged in. As you can see, mine is already open. If your account is logged in, tap the leaderboard tab, which is located at the bottom of the screen. While we are on the leaderboard tab, tap the weapons tab on the left side of the screen. As you can see on the screen, while we are in the weapons tab, choose your region button to choose region. As you can see, mine has no list of regions. That's why, like I said, you need to log into your account not as a guest, logged in with a Facebook or Garena account to detect where you live, because I am in a guest account as for now. Changing your region in Call of Duty Mobile is a straightforward process that can enhance your gaming experience. By following these steps, you can easily switch between different servers and play with friends from various locations. If you encounter any issues, checking the game's official support page can provide additional assistance. Happy gaming!